Hello everyone. Students, today we will learn about average. To find the average, we find the sum of all the given values and divide it by the number of values. Here, things to remember, the average lies between the lowest value and the highest value. And second one is, average cannot be calculated of two or more different types of quantities. मीन्स जो भी हम एवरेज फाइंड आउट करते हैं वो हमारे लोएस्ट वैल्यू और हाईएस्ट वैल्यू के बीच की वैल्यू आती है. और सेकेंड वन इज, एवरेज जो है हम एक जैसी क्वांटिटीज़ की फाइंड आउट करते हैं. मीन्स अगर हम मार्क्स लेते हैं तो सभी स्टूडेंट्स के मार्क्स होने चाहिए. अगर हम एज लेते हैं तो सभी टीचर्स या स्टूडेंट्स की एज होनी चाहिए. मीन्स क्वांटिटी शुड बी सेम. Now how we can find the average? Here is a formula to find the average, that is sum of the value divided by number of values. So let us do with the help of an examples. Here first one is find the average of the given values. So formula is average is equal to sum of the values divided by number of value. Firstly, we will write all the numbers which are given here, and after that we add all the numbers. We add 6, 11, 13, 9 and 15 and divided by number of value, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers are given here, so we will divide it with 5. When we add all the numbers, we get 54. And when we divide 54 by 5, we get 5 ones are 5. Take 0 here. 5 eights are 40. So the average of these numbers is 10.8. And can you see 10.8 lies between the highest value and the lowest value? Here in these number, highest value is 15 and lowest value is 6. So the number lies between 6 and 15. Come to next question. Next one is find the average of the given numbers. The numbers are 3.5, 4.8, 2.6, 5.3 and 3.9. First of all, we will write the formula to find the average. And the formula is, as you know, sum of the values divided by number of the values. So here first we can write the numbers that are 3.5, 4.8, 2.6, 5.3 and 3.9 divided by number of values, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here it is. And when we add all the numbers, we get 20.1. And now average is equal to 20.1 divided by 5. Now here when we divide 20.1 by 5, we get 5 4s are 20 and point, we put the point, we take 1 and we take 0 to make 10 here. 5 2s are 10. So the average of these number is 4.02. Now come to next question. Next one is find the average of 50, 100, 150, 200 and 250. Now the average is equal to sum of the values divided by number of values. And here the values are 50 plus 100 plus 150 plus 200 plus 250 divided by 5. When we add all the numbers, we get 750. And the number of values is 5. Now 750 is divided by 5. So we get 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25, and 0, it is 150 we get as an average of these numbers. Come to next one. The ages of 5 teachers in my school are 32 years, 28 years, 24 years, 38 years and 30 years. We have to find their average age. Now how we can find it? We put the formula to find the average of age, and the formula of average is equal to sum of the age of the teachers divided by number of teachers. Now we will write the age of the teachers are 32, 28, 24, 38 and 30. Now it is divided by number of teachers. Now how many teachers are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 teachers. Now when we add all the numbers, we get 152 and it is divided by 5. When we divide it, we get 30.4 as the average of age of teachers. Come to next one. Radha scored the following marks. Maths 83, in English 75, in Hindi 72, in science 92 and in social science 78. Now we have to find the average marks. Now again we write the formula and now we write the numbers which is scored by Radha, that are 83, 75, 72, 92 and 78. Now divided by how many subjects? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we will divide with 5. When we add all the marks, we get 400. Now 400 is divided by 5 and we get 5 8s are 40 and we get 80 as the average marks of Radha. Now next question is find the average of all odd numbers between 20 and 40. Is the average an odd or even numbers? First of all, we find the average of odd numbers between 20 and 40. First of all, we will write the formula to find average, that is sum of the odd numbers divided by number of odd numbers. So odd number between 20 and 40 are 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, 31, 33, 35, 37 and 39. These are the odd numbers between 20 and 40. Now we will add all the numbers and these numbers divided by 10 because there are 10 odd numbers between 20 and 40. So when we add all the numbers, we get 300. Now we divided 300 by 10. We get 10 3s are 30 and 0 remains same. Now 30 is the average of odd numbers. Now 30 is an even number. So I hope this topic is clear to everyone. Thank you. Have a nice day.